Hi there, my name's Caitlin and I work at Charlie Taylor. Today I'm going to talk to you about the new GHD collection. This Christmas, GHD recently launched their new Copper Luxe gift set. This hairdryer is perfect for hand-luggage trips only as it has a fold-away body, which means you never have to compromise on style. And it's perfect for... oh no, I did it wrong. Sorry, I was doing so well. This Christmas, GHD have launched their Copper Luxe Travel... oh no, sorry! Maybe a third time. Ready? Hi there, I'm Caitlin and today I'm... I didn't do the Charlie Taylor! Sorry, I'm so... This is perfect for... This Christmas, GHD have launched their Copper Luxe gift set. This is the... I need to read... Is anyone else this bad at this?